Good morning, one and all. In this session, we are going to see binary codes. Generally, data can be represented in the form of bunch of digits are called binary codes. Okay, a code may be included with the letter, value, or digit. Okay, so mainly binary code is divided into weighted code. Under weighted code, there will be binary, which is 0 and 1, which we have already seen in the previous classes. Under BCD, there are various BCD codes: 8421, 2421, 3321, 4221, 5211, 5311, 5421, 7421, 742 bar 1 bar, 842 bar 1 bar. Okay, these are called BCD weighted codes. What do you mean by weighted code? First of all, weighted code, the value depends upon the weight of their position. Okay, the value depends upon the weight of their position is called weighted code. There are basically various BCD weighted codes. These are the weights actually. This 8 is the weight of this particular position. Okay, if you want to represent 9 using 8421 code, let's say if you want to represent, I am going to show here, if I am going to represent 9 using 8421 code, then what I have to do, I would have get 8 and 1. 8 in the position of 8, I would have 1. I would have put 1. Okay, and another in 1, other two places 0, then it become 9. 8421 BCD code, that 9 represents 1001. Similarly, 2421 code, the 9 represents 1 1 1 1. See the difference. According to the weight of the position, the value of 9 also going to change. The coding is going to change according to the weight position actually. Next, how you will represent 9 using 3321? Using 336 281, all are 1111. Okay, now this is the way we can represent 9. 9 can be represented various way using this type of weighted codes, BCD codes. Now we can see using 742 bar 1 bar. Using 742 bar 1 bar. What is the meaning of it? Okay, so how to represent 9 using this? So let's say 7 and 4, 11. Okay, 7, weight 7. If I put 1, that weight is 7, plus 4, 11. So what is 2? 2 bar means whatever the sum came, 7 plus 4, 11. 2 bar means minus 2. If I put 1 over here, it is now minus 2. 11 minus 2, 9. So obviously 1 bar is 0. So 9 can be represented using 7 for 2 bar 1 bar is 1110. Now how can we represent 8 for 2 1 bar? With the help of 8 for 2 1 bar, how can we represent 9? See here, 8 4 12 minus 2. Minus 2 is 10, minus 1 is 9. So 1111 also can be represented as 9 under 8421 bar code. Okay, so this is the actually weighted code. According to the position of the weight, the value is actually represented. That is called weighted code. Now you see here, if in the gate question it will come, how, in which code 9 can be represented as 1111. If there is lot of options will be there. What you have to do? You have to find out the value of 9 according to the weight position and you can click on it. Okay. So this is the way the weighted code can be represented. Next, non-weighted code. Non-weighted code means, as the name suggests, it doesn't follow any weight position to get the value. Okay. It is having like XS3 gray code, 5-bit BCD. We will see all in the later sessions actually. XS3 code, the name suggests it is actually BCD value plus XS3 of that BCD value. Okay, so this is the way it is. It doesn't carry any weight actually. Okay, next, reflective code. Reflective code means, let's say I am going to represent, so reflective code means reflective code means if I am going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So if I have get the code binary values of this, if the binary value of 0 is equal to the binary value of 9, then that code is called reflective code. If the binary value of 1 is represented with similar to the binary value of 8, then it is called reflective code. 2 with 7, 3 with 6, 4 with 5. Okay, these are called reflections. So under this also 2421, 5211 XS3 code as the basic reflective codes. Next, alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric code, the value of the code can be derived using alphabets and numerics. So we'll now if I will have one question here. If 9 is represented as 1111, then it comes under which binary code? Means if 9 comes under, like this gate questions will come, 9 comes under, 9 is represented as, if 9 is represented as 1111, then it comes under which BCD code? So let's say there will be options A, 8421. Okay, next the option is 7421. Next 742 bar 1 bar. Let's say these are the three options has been given to you. So what do you have to do? So 9 can be represented as 1111. So here he has told you 9 can be represented as 1111. Now you put those values over here, the weighted values over here. 8, 4, 12, 2, 14, 1, 15. So 8421 is not the code which represented 9 as 1111. Okay. Similarly put here 7421. So 7 plus 4, 11 plus 2, 13, 1, 14. So 7421 also is not the code which represented 9 as 1111. Now you check this one, 742 bar 11. So this is 742 bar 1 bar. So one more here will be given 842 bar 1 bar. So 742 bar 1 bar. So if you put here 7 for 11 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So 11 minus 3 8. So this is also not the correct option. Now 8421 bar, put 1 bar. So what will happen if you can check 8412 minus 2 minus 1. So it is 9. So 9 is represented as 1111, then it comes under BCD code 842 bar 1 bar BCD weighted code. So this is very important question guys for the gate point of view and also for the BTech point of view. So next, last part of the binary code is actually error detecting code. The error detecting code, mainly error detection and correction, mainly if we are having data transmission from transmitter to the receiver, okay, transmitter to the receiver, then this type of codes are useful. You would have send a parity bit, okay, and you would have check whether there is correct, whether we have received the correct information, correct data or not using humming coding. Okay, this is the way we can represent our data. So mainly what is binary code? Binary code is nothing else. It is the value or digit can be represented using certain coding techniques. So these are the coding techniques: weighted codes, non-weighted codes, reflective codes, alphanumeric codes, error detecting correcting codes, and sequential codes. Sequential codes are nothing else. There is certain sequences in that actually. Thank you.